Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Bluehost cPanel. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Type Bluehost, come into the address bar and press enter. Click the login button at the top right of the Bluehost homepage. Enter your Bluehost username or the email address connected to your account. Enter your Bluehost password carefully and double-check for typos. Click Login to access your Bluehost account dashboard. If you see a security verification step, complete it to continue. From the main dashboard, look for the Hosting section in the left side menu. Click Hosting to open your hosting management area. Find the website or hosting plan you want to manage if you have more than one. Click the Settings button for that specific site or hosting plan. Scroll until you find the section called Quick Links or similar shortcuts. Locate the link labeled cPanel or Advanced or Control Panel, depending on the layout. Click that link to open the cPanel login area. If a new tab opens, switch to it so you can continue in the correct window. Wait a few seconds while the cPanel interface loads fully. Confirm you are in cPanel by looking for common icons like File Manager, email accounts, and MySQL databases. If you are prompted to re-enter your password, type it again and submit. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the password reset instructions sent to your email and then log in again. For the fastest direct access, you can also try your domain, com/cPanel in your browser. If that direct link does not work, return to Bluehost and use the dashboard method instead. When inside cPanel, click File Manager to manage website files if needed. Click Email Accounts to create or manage professional email addresses. Click PHP-MyAdmin or MySQL databases if you need to manage databases for WordPress or other apps. If your cPanel looks different, check for a theme switcher or updated interface from Bluehost. Always log out of cPanel when you are finished, especially on shared or public computers. Close the Browser tab after logging out to keep your account secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.